Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on language materials with Memrise, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Memrise website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. On the home page, look for the language you want to learn. Click on that language to open its specific page. Explore the various courses available for that language. Take note of any free courses that interest you. Memrise often has community-created content. Check for user-generated courses as well. If you find a course you like, click on it to start. Dive into the lessons and practice sessions available. To save even more, consider using the mobile app. Download the Memrise app from your device's app store. Log into your account on the app. You can access many features for free, including vocabulary lists and practice exercises. Keep an eye out for promotions or discounts offered by Memrise. Sometimes, they provide discounted subscriptions or free trials. Take advantage of any referral bonuses if you have friends willing to sign up. Share your referral link with them to earn rewards. Utilize the Learn with Locals feature for real-world examples, which is often free. Set daily goals in the app to keep your learning steady and consistent. Review materials regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Engage with the community for additional tips and support. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. By exploring all the available free resources, you can save significantly on language materials with Memrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.